Okay, we'll be walking straight down that way. We are in a typhoon category 8, but it's kind of a gentle one overall. You can see I'm standing and I'm looking at the top of the tree, so it's moving a lot more, but it's really not too bad. I don't see much debris, but we're gonna look and see what we can find anyways. And looks worse than it is. Okay, stay tuned and we'll walk down our street in a minute. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna walk down our street. This is what we're looking at. The rain is it kind of got some strong gusts once in a while, but we're gonna walk down here, check it all out. There's a bar right over there that's closed, not because of the, maybe because of the typhoon as well, if it was able to stay open, but they're closed because of the COVID. So we had 11 COVID cases in the last 2 weeks. So all the bars are closed, but some of the bars that have restaurants attached are still open. So, okay, we're gonna walk down this street. We're just kind of documenting. There's a lot more flooding and such in other areas, but I can't really get to them, and I think there's better photos that people can view online for that anyway. So I'm just kind of documenting streets, and I just want to kind of document 2021, and also just the fact that there's typhoons and kind of what it looks like when you're walking around. And I kind of want to tell you too that it's not completely horrific, but if you do get some strong winds, you should get indoors. And actually, if you're you should also stay inside unless you are doing something like what I'm doing. The winds are going to get a little stronger now. Huh, wonder why that guy was waiting there. That guy was kind of waiting for me to go by. Yeah, the winds are kind of strong, so I'm going to put the camera away. I'd rather get wet, a little wet, than get, I'll get wet anyways. But I don't want to, I just bought the umbrella. It's like 11 American dollars, which is maybe double price that it usually is, I think. But anyways, we're going to be just walking down the street. Yeah, I might get that. I might need that umbrella again. Seeing what's open. So some places are open. Some places are closed. Kind of a mixture of things. Okay, now the wind's starting to pick up, and the rain too a little bit. So I'm just going to put. Oh. Strong gust right there. You can see some trees. The rain is kind of coming in at an angle now. Let's get over here and it'll be better. Oh yeah. Now I can put up the umbrella again. I think I'm going to come over here on this side. I want to put this umbrella down because I don't want it to be damaged. There we go. That was a little bit windy there. Phew. Okay. So I think people are coming down here because there's some places open. You get some of these shops are open. So yeah, if these shops are open and the wind comes in, you know, like that'd be pretty horrific. So I guess we get little gusts of wind like coming from that area, but overall people seem comfortable enough. So down there is pretty gusty. Yeah, lots of people are kind of coming down and shopping in this area. See what's around there. Another street. But overall I don't really see that much debris. The debris is really small. Leaves, twigs, papers. Some of those other ones we'll see like massive, like mangled bikes that were on key, that were locked down and such like that. I don't really see anything like that. Okay, we keep on walking down our street here. So there's some shopping in here, parking shop. Yeah, actually, I wonder if that McDonald's is open. Just kind of out of curiosity. Okay. Yeah, that's the umbrella down. It's a good thing. It's keeping mine down. I'm kind of surprised. I think if I had a small kid, I think I wouldn't bring him outside, because the gust of winds could pick up a smaller kid a little easier than an adult. I think they're picking up some debris already, so I can see that right there. Okay, let's keep on walking across. Okay. Overall, things look pretty good. Oh, it's gonna be a rainy street here. Oh. That's gonna be rain right there. So we just waited out for 1 second because get the umbrella ready. Yeah, it's kind of windy. Can you hear that rain like that? So I think what we're gonna do is I could walk down another area. We'll just kind of walk down this area and just kind of see. So yeah, that one's we got some shops that are open as well. Restaurants, places like that. Okay. Well, actually sometimes I kind of try to get a good thumbnail, because to be honest, people will view things more if I get a good thumbnail. So that might have been my thumbnail right there. Let me just see. I'm going to try to get on that side of the street. Okay. Yeah, actually it's only like 2:30 right now, but there's almost no sun. So you can see some of the lights are on like that. Cameras. I wonder if they're filming. So they're filming something right there. This is the second person I saw with a little two-man camera crew looking to the sun. It's I'll put the exact time in the timestamp down below. I'll put it in the left corner, but it's maybe 3 p.m. I think. But you'll see the exact time later because I'll see it later when I upload it in my data cards. But it is dark out. Suddenly it got real dark. We're in Rua de Evora. I don't know if we're gonna go any further than this. I think Rua de Evora. There's lots of people down that way as well. I think we're gonna end up filming right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.